This EcoHub Travel Backpack is carefully sized to qualify as a personal item on strict airlines, making it a smart choice for avoiding checked baggage hassles on short trips. The clamshell-style opening and thoughtfully divided main compartment make packing and unpacking feel more like using a compact suitcase than a typical backpack. A dedicated rear laptop area, numerous interior and exterior pockets, and the included transparent toiletry pouch help keep electronics, documents, and liquids neatly separated and easy to reach at security. The built-in charging port, padded shoulder straps, side water bottle pocket, and suitcase handle strap combine to make long travel days noticeably more comfortable and convenient. Its fabric and lining are made using recycled plastic bottles, yet the material still feels light, water-resistant, and reinforced enough to handle frequent travel. Overall, this backpack offers an unusually balanced mix of airline compatibility, organization, comfort, and sustainability for travelers who want one bag that can do almost everything.